French dark web drug dealing kingpin known as OxyMonster is set to plead guilty after being caught trying to slip into the U.S. for a beard-growing contest. A Frenchman accused of being one of the biggest dealers of illicit drugs on the dark web is set to plead guilty to narcotics charges after he was caught trying to slip into the U.S. for a beard-growing competition. Vallerius, 39, thought to be the drug kingpin OxyMonster, has a plea hearing in Miami scheduled for Tuesday on drug conspiracy and money laundering charges, according to court documents. He allegedly used the alias while an administrator of Dream Market, an online marketplace similar to eBay where anonymous members buy and sell drugs including cocaine, methamphetamine and oxycodone using Bitcoin. Vallerius has been in custody since last year when he was arrested in Atlanta while en route to the World Mustache and Beard Championships in Austin, Texas. He was registered in the full beard 30.1 to 45 cm', 12 to 18 inches, category. Vallerius' lawyer, Anthony Natali, tried to exclude his laptop, iPhone and iPad from being used as evidence at his trial. When that attempt failed, he worked on a plea deal with prosecutor Tony Gonzalez, according to court documents. The FBI and other law enforcement agencies had been monitoring Vallerius for months and were waiting when he and his wife Yasmin got off the plane from France, with his long red beard making it easy for agents to pick him out from the crowd. On his laptop was the Tor browser, apparent login credentials for Dream Market, $500,000 worth of Bitcoin, and a PGP encryption key entitled OxyMonster which matched that advertised as OxyMonsters on Dream Market, according to a sworn statement from a DEA agent. Natali argued that a search of Vallerius' laptop carried out after he arrived in Atlanta was not valid because his client was high on drugs at the time. But his motion was denied. In April, prosecutors added a new charge, money laundering, for transactions between 2013 and 2017. Since February 2016, U.S. investigators have identified several narcotics dealers on Dream Market and, operating undercover, had drugs sent to them in exchange for Bitcoin. That is how they found a so-called senior moderator on Dream Market using the name OxyMonster, who ran the website and sold drugs from France. Analyzing Bitcoin transactions, authorities linked OxyMonster to Vallerius. Then, comparing the writing style of OxyMonster with that seen in Vallerius's Instagram and Twitter accounts, experts found similarities and concluded they were from the same man. For instance, he would say goodbye with a friendly cheers followed by 2 exclamation points, and sometimes offered comments in French. Prosecutors had threatened to bring in evidence that Vallerius sold drugs on other dark websites including Silk Road, the Hansa Market, Pandora and Alphabet. These allegations could now be excluded as part of the plea agreement. In 2015, Vallerius finished 8th in an international facial hair competition in Austria. He boasted of this in the profile of his Instagram account, which has since been deleted, along with that of his wife. Video from that contest shows Vallerius smiling and joking with other competitors. But the results from that year's WBMC competition have vanished from its website. MJ Johnson, a Minneapolis man who competed in last year's championship, said he remembered Vallerius as a fun, carefree person. "I don't know anything about what other stuff he did. But as far as his beard goes, it's really awesome, long and bright red," Johnson said.